Good morning, students. In this video we are going to study about the images formed due to refraction through convex and concave lens. Before seeing the images, you must know certain points in the concave and convex lens. I'll be explaining using the convex lens. By seeing the book you can understand the concave lens. First I'll be drawing the convex lens. This is your convex lens. This convex lens is a part of an two spheres where it is jointed. So the center part is your convex lens. In this, if you draw an horizontal line and vertical line, there will be a center. This is called as optic center. The dot which I kept is called as optic center. This circle, what I am drawing in an imaginary anti-clockwise circle, that will have an radius. That radius of that circle is the center of curvature. Center of curvature of this lens. Then this center of curvature is always equal to the center of curvature will be always equal to the 2 times of your f. R is equal to center of curvature is equal to R, that is equal to 2 times of f. Okay, then the point where the image will be focused is called as the focal point. The other side is also same. The clockwise sphere, from this the portion of the lens is cut, so that radius is called as the sphere from which it cut is called radius is called as center of curvature. On the other side center of curvature, what I told, that is equal to radius of your sphere from which the lens had been taken, then that is equal to 2f. Then focal length will falls in between the center of curvature and the optic center. Then the point of this curve, the center point of this curve is called as pole. Pole of the lens, it is denoted as P. The pole of the lens, it is denoted as P. Focal length f. C I told, that is equal to R, that is equal to 2f. Here also the same. These are all the important points in the lens. Then the line passing through the focal point and the optic center, the line passing through the center of curvature, focal point, pole, optic center is called as principal axis. Is called as principal axis. The first one, what we are going to see, the first rule, the line, the ray of light which is passing through the optic center. When a ray of light strikes the convex or concave lens obliquely at its optical center is noted as O, won't be deviate. It will continues to follow its path without any deviation. The light which is passing through the optic center, the light ray which is passing through the optic center will continue its path without any deviation. This is the rule 1. I'll be saying once again. I drawn a lens, convex lens, in which I set a point, optic center, pole, focus, focal principal focus, center of curvature on both the sides. Then the light rays which is passing through the optic center of the lens won't be deviate. It will continue its path. This is your first rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. So again you have to draw the convex lens and the principal axis. What is the principal axis? The line which is passing through the optic center and focal point is called as your principal axis. If a ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after refracting it will deviate through the focal point. It will deviate through the focal point. When a ray parallel to the principal axis strikes the convex or concave lens, the refracted ray converge or diverge. If it is a convex lens, it will converge. If it is a concave lens, it will diverge from the principal axis. It will converge through the principal axis. This is the rule 2. Then rule 3. Rule 3. Rule 3 is inversion, ulta model of this. Rule 3. Again, draw a convex lens and the principal axis. What is the principal axis? The line which is passing through the optic center pole and the focal point is called as your principal axis. The ray which is, first we saw the ray which is passing through the optic center, then the parallel. Now we are going to see the ray which is passing through the light ray which is passing through the focal point after hitting the convex lens. It is directed, refracted parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. This is your rule 3. When a ray passing through convex lens or directed towards a concave lens, the principal focus, through the principal focus strikes a convex lens, the refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. So once again I will be saying the first rule. When a ray of light is passing through the optic center, it won't have any deviation. It will continue its path in a straight line. Then rule 2, when a ray is parallel to the principal axis, after passing through the lens, it is refracted through the focal point. When a ray is passing through the focal point, after refracted through a lens, it will be parallel to the principal axis. This is the 3 rules of images formed by the refraction, images formed due to refraction through convex lens. We will see the images formed due to the refraction through concave lens in another video. Is it clear to you? Say that first one, second one, third one.